YouTube. And now I'm going to unbox the Taser Master of Destiny. That's the front. That's the back. Everything's in Chinese. But yeah, I think this comes off. Nope, it's plastic. The knife. Let me see. So taking so long. Here we go. Got plastic on me. Go like this. So you end up keeping the box. I mean, it's a well-built box. Let's see. Just a little thing like this. Hey. I like the cord. It's almost, it's well built. It's almost leathery. It's pretty cool, actually. I mean, well built for 18 bucks. I paid like 18 bucks for it. Well built. Pretty cool gaming mouse. Tell me what you think. Until next time, YouTube, take care.